Making avocado goat milk soap. Recently, my friend texted me and asked if I had ever made this kind of soap, and I told her no, so she brought me 2 avocados. I have seen several other people make avocado soap, and it has been on my list. Here I am combining the oils in the lye and milk solution. The green bubbly stuff was the ground up avocado. Now I am adding vanilla, lemon, and eucalyptus essential oil. I did research, and avocado soap is supposed to be extremely hydrating. Avocados are packed with nutrients, fatty acids, and antioxidants. It can give the skin a very youthful appearance. When you combine both goat's milk and avocado, it's supposed to make your skin very soft and smooth. Here I am just doing a simple spoon design. It is extremely uneven, but I tried to fix it. I really am excited to see if the color stays in by morning once the soap hardens, but I would love if it would stay that color. It's so pretty. That's one thing with soap, you never know if the color is going to stay. This color is just from the avocado, and man, it is beautiful. Now I am sprinkling on some dried lavender and some dried oats. I always love to do these with my bars because I just think it looks so cute. I can't wait to cut these and try them out. Thanks for watching.
One boy. There was one boy. That was when we first moved here, Bonnie.